Hello and welcome to the Worldwide Markets Daily Forex Wrap-Up. It is May 6th, 2013. We'll begin with the euro dollar. Currently we are trading at 1.3075. All indications are we should see an eventual downward leg here. I'm still keying in on the 2970 level. When this does break to the downside as far as our re-entry. But right now, as you see over the last couple of weeks, we're getting nothing but tremendous amounts of chop. The euro can't really make up its mind, and you see this with all the jagged moves here. I'm just really wary about getting into the euro right now in either direction, just because it has not shown us one direction or another. But as I said, I think we will eventually see this lose strength, die out, and get below this 2970 level. And then once that happens, you're definitely looking for the moves to the downside. Gold, huge move to the downside, and then a little bit of a retracement. And now we are stagnant. I'm still expecting this to break out one way or the other, depending on some of the other economic data. And I am still partial to trading to the short side. So keep your eyes open. Our range is 1490 to 1440 roughly, and anything that breaks out below or above, we should see some movements one way or the other. Aussie dollar in correspondence with gold, we're definitely looking weaker. We have this 102.20 level that's been acting as support, and breaks below that, we could see a little move to the downside, and this could also push gold out of that range we were just talking about. Dollar yen, once again, we're flirting with the 100 level. We're sitting at 99.06 now. We've got as high as 99.40 today. I want to see it either break it or finally pull away. For the time being, you could look to possibly take some shorts with tight stops, over 100, and see if this thing is going to peel off. If not, if we do break 100, you should be looking for renewed yen weakness more than dollar strength. Euro yen, we briefly dipped out of this triangle here. I didn't really see much, simply because the euro's been pretty flat and the yen's been pretty flat. So we're back in our triangle. I do still think we're going to see this consolidate before anything goes anywhere. Dollar CAD, we did see the large move to the downside. We had our ugly version of a double top here. Here's our midpoint. We're right back below that. We could resume the shorting opportunities here, and I think that we will. Definitely keep your eyes open around the parity level. Markets always seem to hesitate around there, but all indications so far are pointing to the downside here, and that is supported by the continuing strength that we're seeing in the oil market. Oil's up, CAD's strong, so dollar CAD's down. So keep your eyes open on the oil price. Here we have our previous levels of resistance around 97.50, and as we approach that, see if we'll approach that again as we did earlier, and we'll see what happens. So definitely keep in mind that the Canadian is going to be pushed by oil, and oil could be pushed by the Canadian. That's all we have for today. Good luck with your trading, and we will see you tomorrow.